What's up, guys? It is Tom here with Extreme Air Events. December 30th, 2020. Almost done with this psycho year. I wanted to give a quick update on the Z-Broz update, or the Z-Broz heavy duty springs. So I've got about almost 100 miles on them now. And so these were the next step up for my weight. So they have a certain weight, and I went to the next ones. So the initial reaction is they are better than stock in some conditions. Bombing down whoops, definitely better. These do not bottom. I haven't had them bottom yet, which the stock ones with the stock springs, even maxed out, they will bottom pretty harshly going through the whoops. So that's a bonus. The one negative I've found is they are quite harsh on the stutter bumps compared to stock. So the stock is definitely more plush, and I believe that is probably because it's riding higher in the stroke. This bottom spring is a heavier spring than stock. This one is supposed to be, this little light one is supposed to kind of help suck up the stutter bumps and the chatter. What I've found so far, I started these out on number 3 and progressively have made them to where they're at the very top, basically. I weigh about 170, and these springs I think were like a 180 to 230 spring. So I probably could have gone with the lighter springs, but I was wanting something that was going to combat the bottoming and the harshness when I landed off of big jumps and things. So that definitely has done that. What I've noticed on side hilling so I leave the sway bar in, always have. But what I've found is, when you're cutting a track, so if you're side hilling, you're cutting another track, that ski doesn't want to soak up that track or that hard snow as easily as stock. So it's kind of got its pluses and minuses. I think if I was a heavier guy with this setup, it would probably be ideal. I can't test that because I just weigh what I weigh. So, but that's my initial review. I don't think I'm going to go back to stock. I'm going to leave these on for a while, keep testing, and just see how I like them. We still have marginal snow conditions, but there's been enough to bomb down some whoop trails and test things out. So anyway, that is the kind of after installation, had some time on them review. So I hope that helps somebody. What I would probably say is, if like I was mentioning before, if you're a bigger guy and the stock springs just aren't going to cut it, they bottom so bad, even for the lighter guys. So there kind of needs to be an in-between. This is probably an awesome setup for the bigger guys. For the light guys that want something to help stop the bottoming, definitely does that. These have not bottomed yet, which is pretty astounding for a stock shock. Just the springs made that happen. So anyway, that's the review. If you have any other questions in the comments, leave that below. Like always, please like and subscribe. I'll be doing some continued reviews on other things. Clutching, been messing with clutching a lot. So I don't have anything finalized yet, but that's where we're at. So please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, something I can test for you. Peace out.